Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to place trades on TradingView updated for the latest version. Whether you're just starting out or looking to get comfortable with TradingView's panel, by the end of this video you'll know step-by-step how to set up paper trades, adjust your order settings, and start practicing your trading strategies with confidence. Let's dive right in. So first things first, once you're on TradingView's main interface, look for the trading panel at the bottom of your screen. If you're not seeing it right away, don't worry. Just scroll down a bit and it should appear as a bar or a tab. Go ahead and click on it. This will expand the panel so you get a full view of all the available features. It's a good idea to maximize the panel, especially if you want to see everything clearly. It just gives you more space and makes navigating much easier. Now, inside the trading panel, you'll notice there are multiple brokers listed. TradingView actually partners with several major brokers, but for this tutorial and honestly for safe practice, I recommend starting with their built-in paper trading option. Paper trading is basically a risk-free way to test strategies using fake money, so you never have to worry about losing real funds while you're still learning the ropes. To do this, just find paper trading from the list and give it a click. Next, you'll see a connect button. Click on that and within a few seconds you're linked up and ready to go. You'll now spot a trade button right next to where you just connected. This is where the real magic happens. Click trade and you'll get a menu with order types. You'll have a choice market or limit if you're unsure. Market means your order will be filled right away at the current market price. Fast and simple, especially useful when you just want in or out without overthinking it. Limit gives you the ability to set the exact price you want to buy or sell at, which is fantastic if you're waiting for a specific price point. For example, if you only want to buy Bitcoin when it dips to a certain value, you'd use a limit order. But don't stress if this sounds confusing at first. With practice, it gets much clearer. Once you've picked the order type, it's time to add the number of units you want to trade. Think of this as how much you want to buy or sell, sort of like choosing how many apples you're grabbing at the store. If you're not sure what's reasonable, start small. Paper trading is about learning, not about volume. Here's another crucial part: setting your take profit and stop loss levels. These might sound technical, but in practice, they're your safety nets. Take profit means your trade will automatically close once you've made a certain amount of profit. You can step away and not worry about missing your chance to cash out. Stop loss works in the opposite way. It helps cap your losses if the price moves against you. Both protect you from unexpected swings, and using them is a hallmark of smart, disciplined trading. Now, as we glance at the market, let's say the trend looks bearish. You think the price is about to head down. In that case, you might want to open a sell position. Just choose sell and TradingView will confirm your choice. Double-check everything: order size, profit target, stop loss. Then press sell to send your order. That's it. You've just placed a paper trade on TradingView. If anything feels overwhelming, don't worry. Pause the video, rewind, or take your time. It's completely okay to practice each step several times until it feels natural. I hope this guide helped make the process clearer for you. If you found it useful, please hit that like button and let me know if you had any questions in the comments. I'm always here to help. And don't forget to subscribe for more straightforward, up-to-date tutorials on TradingView and beyond. Thanks for watching and happy trading.